These custom cabinets are absolutely gorgeous. Here we've got this open floor plan. There's so much storage in this whole house. So come on, let me show it to you. I am Rebecca Van Buren. I am a licensed real estate broker here in the great state of Texas. I live and I work in Pecan Plantation, and today we're going to walk through 8501 Kingsley Circle. Stay tuned. Okay, here we go. We're going to enter into this gorgeous door. Wow, absolutely beautiful. Again, this is 8501 Kingsley Circle, located in Pecan Plantation. To the right here, we've got an office, which could also be used as a bedroom. We've got this really gigantic closets. There's so much storage in this whole house. So come on, let me show it to you. Here we've got this open floor plan, this living room. We've got a beautiful gas fireplace with custom stonework. Then we come in here to the kitchen area. We've got a little dining room over here. We've also got the bar stool area. We've got my stuff because I'm doing an open house today. These custom cabinets are absolutely gorgeous. We've got a gas cooktop. We've got the double oven, large oversized pantry. And this is what it looks like when you're standing in the kitchen looking into the living area. Down this hall, we've got bedroom number 2, which also has a gigantic closet over there. We've got bedroom number 3 with large closet, a full bath. I love how these doors are open so wide that you could even get a wheelchair in here if you needed to. Open floor plan, split bedroom format. Heading into the master suite. Gorgeous, plenty of room for a king-size bed. Fantastic uplighting. Room for a sitting area. The master bathroom is en suite. Tons of room in here. His and her sinks, a walk-in shower. We've got that wonderful soaking tub right here. And then off of the closet, which I absolutely love, is the laundry room. Full-size washer and dryer area, a place to fold your clothes. There's even a space for a refrigerator, and it's got a line over here for the water if you wanted to have an ice maker. Here is the garage, little mudroom area. Now let's go upstairs. Oh wait, before we go upstairs, look out here in this garage. There's a central vac, sprinkler system, very large 2-car garage. Oh wait, there's more. Great patio. And then there is an additional golf cart garage, which could also be used as a workshop. Now let's go upstairs. Okay, this house was built by Hopper Homes. It was finished in 2017, and it was part of the Hood County Builders Association Showcase of Home Tours, and it was a winner. It's got 2821 square feet. Now we are upstairs. Tons of space up here. If you would like more information about this house or like to see the features list or even a tour, give me a call. I'd love to show it to you. Make it a great day.